friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean.
And Morgan.
Morgan's back. In one of my recent videos, because I talk about Morgan all the time because she's my best friend, someone said that they wanted to meet Morgan, even though we did a video like 2 months ago. Yeah. But here she is again. We're going to do a first impressions with the Honey palette from Colourpop. It's the yellow monochrome palette that they came out with, and I think it's really cute. I saw some people complain that they didn't really like it because they felt like it was too brown based, but I'm personally a fan of like grungy mustardy yellow, so this is my perfect yellow palette. I kind of wish this color was different because this just looks kind of like a weird brown. I do like this pale yellow though. But everything else I think looks cute. What do you think?
I like them. Good selection.
She's really drawn to the glitter. She looked at it earlier.
I was like, I like this color.
I think this is like $12. It's super cheap. And we're going to do a look with it. I don't know what we're going to create. We're going to do our own thing, and we'll see what happens.
Get her done.
We got the horses in the front.
Got the horses in the front.
Okay, we are going to prime our eyes and get ready to do this. Yeah, I'm using my Sigma eyeshadow base in Ignite. You're welcome to use this as well.
Honey.
My eyes primed. I didn't set it with powder because I like my base a little tacky. And I want to go right on in with Oh Behave because that looks really cute. And I'm just going to use a kind of tapered blending brush. This one's from Colourpop.
I don't know which one I'm going to use.
Just go with whatever your heart desires.
My heart desires ice cream.
Oh my gosh, always.
I think I want to do the same.
Morgan's a copycat.
That's right.
Have you used Colourpop shadows before?
I don't think I have.
They're so good and they're so cheap. I love Colourpop. It's one of my favorite brands ever. I'm just kind of taking it all the way from inner to outer, and I'm building it up in my outer corner, as I do 99.9% of the time.
I think I'm only going to do like half of it, and then an inner, a different one. Look at that yellow.
It's so cute. I love yellow eyeshadow. Yellow is my favorite color ever, in case you guys didn't know.
Color. I like the yellow greens, especially when I had that one color in my hair.
Yes, that was so pretty. She's going to help me color my hair tonight because I want it fresh for my birthday.
Fresh.
She took the day off for my birthday. Well, not actually my birthday. My birthday is Sunday the 7th, but we're pretty much celebrating on the 6th because Zane decided that the 6th is my birthday observed. So I don't know what we're doing on my actual birthday, but I guess my birthday is now the 6th of July instead of the 7th. And I don't know what we're doing. Zane and Morgan are conspiring. And I'm scared. I'm going to take Buzzkill now, which is that really delicious mustard brown, like a brown mustard kind of color. I love it. And I'm just taking a small brush. And I'm just going to focus that in the outer corner and then run it through the crease a little bit, but mostly in the outer corner just to really deepen things up.
I'm going to use Total Buggin' on the outer.
The shade that I wish wasn't in there. Actually, I mean, it could be a really pretty shade. We'll see.
Yeah, we're about to see.
I like that this palette's more honey themed because they could have totally gone with the obvious like sunshine yellow or lemon yellow. I think it's creative that they went with more of a honey yellow. Do you like honey, Morgan?
Sometimes.
That's how I feel about it too. Like, I don't love it all the time. We got some honey at Disney Springs when we were there over the weekend because there was a honey shop and it was starting to rain and it was the closest shop. So we just ran into it. We got a little jar of honey, and I put it on my peanut butter and jelly, and because I heard people talk about peanut butter and honey sandwiches, and I didn't really notice the honey. So I don't know why people are hyping peanut butter and honey, because I couldn't really taste it. But by itself, it was kind of good. I just don't really know how else to eat honey. Zane likes those honey sticks.
Yeah, I put those in my tea sometimes.
Oh, that's smart. That's probably the point of them. Zane just eats them straight on.
I got those from Disney.
That Bee Company shop? That Savannah Bee Company?
No, the one in the kitchen one.
Oh, I didn't know.
Because I collect all of the Alice in Wonderland teapots.
That's cute. Can we borrow them for the wedding?
Yeah.
That'd be so cute.
I have like 3 or 4.
That would be cute on like tables.
That would be really cute.
I actually saved some teapots on Etsy, but they real expensive, and your girl's not trying to spend money on a wedding. Because it's wasteful. Now that I'm sufficiently mustard, I'm going to take Sweet Spot, which is that bright yellow.
I'm going to use Stinger in the inner part.
I feel like between the both of us, we're going to use every shade, which is nice.
Yeah. And this will give it, be a good for like underneath, having like a shimmer on top. Ooh.
Oh, that's cute. I love
that
it.
angle though.
Guys, at the very end, I'll zoom in so you can see our looks up close, so I don't want anyone stopping at this point and saying, I can't see. You can see well enough at what I'm doing. There's nothing revolutionary. It's just monochromatic. I think I said monochromatic. Monochromatic. Monochromatic.
Mono.
But I will show you guys zoomed in at the end, I promise.
I think I'm going to take the Buzzkill and deepen it up just like a little bit.
It's a good dark mustard color.
I don't know if I want dark underneath my eye or light.
I'm about to smoke
shimmer.
out Queen Bee under mine.
I was looking at that one too.
It's so cute. And
but
you guys know it.
Dandy looks nice.
It looks so pretty. I might put Dandy towards the inner portion of my lower lash line. But yeah, I'm just smoking it out. More so focusing this shade on the outer 2/3. Oh, that's so cute. I love. Looks like liquid honey under my eye. Uh-huh, honey. I'm going to take Dandy now, which is this one right here. I think I touched the glitter. Oops. And I'm just going to use the same brush because I'm not dirtying my brushes. I just washed them. Ooh, look at that right here in the front.
Yes.
It's so bright. This one I'm just focusing in the front third because it looks like I'm crying golden honey.
That's magical.
I'm going to take that very first brush I used and start blending this a little bit more. And then I'm going to take that brush I used with the lightest yellow to blend it more too. Uh-huh, honey.
Uh-huh, honey.
It's such a cute name. I think it's so funny. So for my lid, I think I'm going to take Dandy again because it's glorious. And I want that all across the lid, kind of in cut crease fashion. I'm going to lay down my NYX glitter primer first because I use it with every shimmer. I know I explain that every time, but you never know who's going to be new here. And I don't need someone asking why am I using it. It's because I always use it. But I'm going to place that across the lid. And I'm just going to kind of put my brush as if I was going to do a cut crease with concealer and all that, but I'm not doing that because lazy. Dipping right into Dandy with that exact same brush. I'm just going to start laying that down. Although I think I'm going to leave the front portion open for the lightest shimmer. Which I probably should have done that first, but whatever. Your girl's excited about yellow. I want to take Sunburst now, which is the lightest yellow right here. I'm going to flip that exact same brush over and coat my brush in it. And that's going to go in the front portion.
Yeah, I was going to do that in the inner corner.
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, yes. It has the prettiest sparkle. Holy cow, this might become one of my favorite shadows of my life. It's so glorious. I know it's hard to do a 3 looks 1 palette with these monochromatic palettes because they all look virtually quite similar. But I'm also really excited to do a 3 looks with this. So whenever I run polls, y'all better vote for it. So that I can use it. I'm just going to take my pinky finger and dip right into Sunburst again. Look how cute that is. And I'm going to pop that in my inner corner. I got my nails back again, guys. I'm so happy. One of my nails was damaged from me busting it. It wasn't due to my nails. So I had to wait it out until it healed. And I finally have them again. I'm loving this. I feel like I want a little more depth, so I'm taking that Buzzkill shade again. I'm just going to re-deepen kind of this outer area of my eye. I'm so hungry.
I know. I'm ready for food.
And now I definitely want to take this glitter. And quick disclaimer, it literally says on the palette, glitter is not intended for use around the eye. Why anyone would put a glitter that's not intended for use on the eye in an eyeshadow palette is beyond me. But I'm going to do it anyways. Don't put glitter in your eye. I also don't love pressed glitters in palettes, but I'm also just going to deal with it. So I'm just going to take my finger and I want to kind of tap this in the outer portion of my eye.
I think I want to deepen up more around that part.
Ooh, yes. Cute. I love it.
Good job.
Oh, cute. So for my waterline, I'm going to take Punch from Colourpop because why else would I not use a yellow? You guys know how it goes. You gotta use a yellow. Well, that's about it for my eye. What else are you doing? Well, I guess we're probably about good for now. We're gonna do our other eyes, put on our lipstick, all that stuff, and then we will do close-ups of both of us so you can see our looks. So, we'll be back. All right, this is our looks. What do you think?
Sunshine.
Do you like our looks? I think it's cute. I get very festival vibes from what we have going on. We both have the Dose of Colors Goals gloss on our lips, and we both tapped Sunburst kind of in the middle because I saw Morgan do it and I wanted to do it too. And then we both added the Peace stamp from Milk Makeup on our face. And I like it.
And happiness. Honey.
I like your look. It's cute.
Thanks.
It's pretty.
I like yours.
Thanks.
You look like a fairy princess.
This is Morgan's look. How cute. So pretty. Tell her nice things. And this is my look. I like it a lot. I think it's cute. But what do you think? But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this double first impressions. I like the palette so far.
It's fun.
It's cute. It's $12, and if you like yellow eyeshadow, you might really enjoy this. And I don't know, I had fun with it, and I'm excited to play with it some more. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. And Morgan's Instagram, it's Alien Chick. I will have it down below. I post every single day. Morgan posts when she feels like it.
Never.
Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I post every day, pretty much. So subscribe, please. Thank you. And I guess that's it. I will catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.